I'm going to show you how to use a hand towel and some rubber bands to save your low back when you're seated. My name is Dr. Christy Flick and I'm with HealthWorks, the Family Wellness Center in Plano, Texas. We're a precision chiropractic office that focuses on correction of the spine. So many times my patients will have trouble with the low back pain when they're seated. And the reason for this is that instead of the lower back having a nice supportive curve, their lower back is very, very straight when they're seated. That makes it unstable and puts lots of pressure into the low back and the muscles of the spine. So you can easily roll up a hand towel that's very portable. You can take it with you, use it wherever you're at to support your low back while you're seated. So first what you'll do is take any hand towel. You don't want it to be too fluffy. And you're going to fold it and you're going to roll it up really tight. Where people will make a mistake is that they won't roll it tight enough. And so instead of supporting their low back, instead it's going to just smush and do nothing. So once you have this nice tight roll about the size of your fist, you're going to secure it with your rubber bands. Now you have a really easy portable lumbar roll. So the way that this works is that you're going to support that curve of the low back by placing the lumbar support there when you sit. Now be careful because your placement shouldn't be at the hips and it shouldn't be up in the ribs. It needs to be right in the low back. So let me show you. We're going to take it. We're going to place it in your low back above the hips and below the ribs. And now it will help you to sit in a nice, upright, seated position. Give this a try. If it helps, let me know in the comments and share with a friend that it can help. If this lumbar support trick helps you to sit without pain, please share this with a friend who also needs to know this information.